Hey everyone! For the last 30 days, I tried the keto diet, and today I'm sharing my experience with you. Was it tough? Did I see results? Let's find out. So, what exactly is the keto diet? It's a low-carb, high-fat diet where you basically cut out carbs and replace them with healthy fats and proteins. This puts your body into a state called ketosis, where it burns fat for energy instead of carbs. The first week was tough. I felt tired, sluggish, and even had headaches. This is called the keto flu. My body was adjusting to using fat as fuel. But after pushing through, I started feeling a lot better. By week 2, I noticed something big. My energy levels shot up. I wasn't crashing in the middle of the day anymore, and I felt more focused and alert. And yes, I lost weight. By the end of the 30 days, I had dropped a few pounds. Most of it was probably water weight at first, but I definitely felt leaner and lighter. But I won't lie, it wasn't easy. Saying no to bread, pasta, and sweets was tough, especially at social gatherings. You need to be prepared and committed if you're going to stick to keto. What did I learn? Keto is effective, but it's not for everyone. It takes discipline and planning. The key is finding a diet that works for your body and lifestyle. So, after 30 days, I feel great, more energized, and a little lighter. If you're thinking about trying keto, give it a shot. But remember, always listen to your body and consult with a professional if needed. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this